This video is for educational purposes only and strategies that I use in my personal portfolio. Nothing in this video guarantees profits or future performance. While the average retail investor is fighting over the crumbs of exhausted tech giants, a quiet revolution is happening right under your nose, with 3 hypergrowth stocks that are ready to mint the next generation of stock market millionaires. Imagine owning a piece of the company that literally owns the skies of the next decade, or a voice AI giant that is scaling its revenue at triple digits, or the multi-billion-dollar software titan that is silently running the world's infrastructure of the biggest enterprises. If you click off this video right now, you are willingly choosing to miss out on the most explosive macroeconomic rotation we have seen in the last 5 years. These 3 stocks that I am tracking straight toward a massive breakout, and by the time mainstream media tells you to buy them, the easy money will already have been made. Do not look back 3 months from now wishing you watched the next 12 minutes of this video. Before we dive into today's video, remember, no more than 5 to 10% of your portfolio in any one stock. Do your due diligence, as there's no guarantees in the market. It's inherently risky. Protect your capital and make sure the stocks that I talk about fit your personal investing needs. Look, investing isn't just about throwing a dart at a board and picking a cool ticker symbol. To make life-changing money, you must understand 2 things: risk management and market rotation. You need to know when to play defense and exactly when to rotate your hard-earned capital into high beta explosive growth stocks. And right now, the macroeconomic data is screaming that the time to strike is today. The economy isn't just holding up, it is fundamentally robust. Macro headwinds are shifting in our favor. We have a brand new Federal Reserve chair stepping in, which historically brings a fresh wave of market certainty and calibrated policy. On top of that, geopolitical tensions, specifically the long-standing economic anxieties surrounding Iran, are slowly but surely abating, removing a major layer of fear from the global markets. But don't just take my word for it. Look at the hard data. This past Friday, the latest Chicago Fed economic data dropped, and it completely shattered the bear narrative. The numbers prove that the economic activity is accelerating, and inflation pressures are cooling down to a manageable baseline. This is the ultimate Goldilocks scenario for growth stocks. The broader market is preparing to rotate out of stagnant, overvalued safety nets and dump billions of dollars into high upside tech innovation. If you aren't positioned before that money rotates, you are going to get left behind. Now, navigating this massive market rotation on your own can be overwhelming, and things can move really fast. That is exactly why I built my Discord community. Inside the Discord, I am actively teaching my proprietary hedge fund strategies, pulling back the curtain on advanced technical analysis, and breaking down the exact trading psychology you need to grow and survive. These are the identical battle-tested strategies that allowed me to take my micro challenge account from $900 to over $9,000 in a year, and my smaller account from $250,000 to over $1.9 million, almost $2 million in the exact same time frame. If you want to stop losing money, stop guessing, and finally learn how to trade like an absolute professional, the link to get started in my Discord is below. I look forward to helping you grow your portfolio and look forward to seeing you really soon. Let's get straight into the countdown. Number 3 stock that you should potentially add to your portfolio right now is Joby Aviation. If you've been on YouTube or TikTok lately, you've almost certainly seen their revolutionary electric vertical takeoff and landing, or eVTOL, aircraft. They're building the future of urban air mobility. Millions of people are captivated by the viral footage of these flying taxis, and for good reason. It feels like we're living in the year 2050. But why is it ranked number 3 on my list? Well, that's because astronomical growth potential comes immense speculative risk. Joby is an absolute pioneer. They are leading the pack when it comes to incredible, rigorous FAA certification stages. They aren't just drawing concepts on a whiteboard, they're actually building manufacturing facilities and flying real aircraft with real pilots. The long-term upside here is a multi-trillion-dollar disruption of city commuting. However, as investors, we have to look at the reality. Joby is still pre-revenue when it comes to massive commercial scaling. They're burning significant amounts of cash to get these flying vehicles through regulatory liftoff and into commercial service. While it has the viral power to squeeze shorts and skyrocket on any possible positive FAA headline, it remains a highly volatile wild card, and it belongs in a growth portfolio. You have to understand this is a long-term reward play. It's an incredible company, but because of the capital intensity, it sits at the number 3 position. So let's dive into the charts right now and talk a little bit more about Joby. So Joby Aviation is transitioning from a speculative research development venture into a de-risked commercial frontrunner in the electric vertical takeoff, the eVTOL sector. So this company has shook off its pre-revenue status in Q1 2026, beating consensus expectations of 20.2 million. You have to understand its long-term revenue growth potential, and it's explosive. And with management guiding for a full year 2026 revenue between 105 and 115 million, that is a blistering 100% year-over-year expansion. Because Joby operates on a nascent commercial flight infrastructure, its formal remaining performance obligations, or RPO, and multi-year compound annual growth rate, CAGR, is just beginning to establish baseline metrics. That's something you have to think about. However, forward-looking consensus estimates a massive revenue inflection to 600 million by 2028 and 1.2 billion by 2029. A trajectory heavily secured by its massive 2.47 billion in cash and short-term investment cushion that completely sidelines any near-term bankruptcy risks. And you guys can see that it's bounced off my AVP multiple times, and anywhere between $8 and $10 is an absolute buy, and 11, it's not that far away. We could see some really strong support here in the $11 to $11.50 range. So I would be adding Joby with caution, but I'd be adding in this range. And if it pulls back to $10.22, you will want to be adding some more to DCA. The number 2 stock to potentially add to your portfolio right now is Soundhound. Soundhound is the premier pure play conversational voice AI company on the market. Every time they report earnings, the retail investing community completely floods social media because of one key factor: explosive triple-digit revenue growth. Soundhound is aggressively capitalizing on the AI boom by integrating its voice recognition software into millions of cars, including partnerships with global auto giants, and scaling heavily into the restaurant sector to automate drive-thrus and ordering systems. The reason why Soundhound ranks higher than Joby in this list is because of its business model. This is a software. It requires no massive factories, no heavy machinery, and no decade-long regulatory battles to scale globally. Once their AI architecture is adopted, it becomes a high-margin, recurring revenue machine. Why isn't this one the number 1 pick? Well, because competition in the voice AI space is fierce. Soundhound is still relatively a small player, fighting against big tech monoliths. But at this current valuation and with its massive viral retail backing, any solid earnings beat or major news corporate partnerships can send this stock soaring 30 to 40% in a single trading session. The growth potential here is massive, and the viral momentum is completely unmatched. Let's go ahead and look at Soundhound. Soundhound is solidifying its footprint as a critical voice AI infrastructure provider, like I've said, driven by aggressive enterprise adoption of its agentic AI solutions across automotive, restaurant, and retail ecosystems. But something to really think about is the company capped off a record-breaking fiscal year of 2025. It was really good, nearly doubling its top line revenue with 168.9 million in full year revenue. And this is surging roughly 99% year over year growth, and punctuated that momentum with a strong Q4 2025 revenue print of 55.1 million, a 59% beat over the consensus. And looking forward, management has had a robust full year 2026 revenue guidance of 225 million to 260 million, scaling up to a minimum target of 350 million to 400 million for 2027, which positions the company, by the way, on a hyper-growth CAGR trajectory. And backbone of Soundhound AI's predictable AI revenue potential is its massive 1.2 billion enterprise contract revenue, their RPO backlog, remaining performance obligations, which alongside rapidly expanding user query activity, which is up 75% year over year, provides a long-term runway to achieve management's target of 70% gross margins and 30% operating margins as the business crosses into structural profitability. And I've explained this many times on Soundhound before. As you guys can see, they beat earnings both times previously, and the stock is scaling right around $9. My AVP on this stock is between $7 and $8.50. So we're just above that. We're just above that as support, and it looks like Soundhound is building a lot of support here in the $8.50 to $9 range. I would be looking to add some now, and if the stock drops, add more. If it runs, you DCA, you add to your position. Dollar cost averaging is not dollar cost lowering, it's averaging your cost on the lows and the highs. Before I reveal my number 1 stock pick in this video, remember that identifying these setups is only half the battle. If you want to see exactly how I apply my proprietary hedge fund strategies and technical analysis and entry zones on power powerhouse tickers, just like this one I'm about to reveal, make sure you're in the Discord. That's where I map out the exact blueprints that took my micro challenge account from $900 to over $9,000 and my smaller account from $250,000 to almost $2 million in the same time frame, just over a year. 14 months to be exact. Click the link in the information box below to get started and joining Discord, and remember how many stocks I've called out over the past year that have printed for my students and I, and you can see all their profits right there, as well as my $95,000 just on Oracle alone, and then I made another $75,000 in Oracle all within the last 7 weeks. Now it's time to talk about the number one stock in today's video. Number one is Now, ServiceNow, ticker NOW. Now, some of you casual retail traders might be surprised to see a massive enterprise software giant at number one instead of a penny stock. But the smart money knows that ServiceNow is an absolute juggernaut. It is the gold standard of enterprise gold computing and workflow automation. Over 80% of Fortune 500 companies rely on ServiceNow to run their daily digital operations. Here is why it takes the crown, though. It gives you the best of both worlds. And while ServiceNow gets massive viral coverage as an elite high conviction play, it backs up the hype with billions of dollars in predictable reoccurring cash flow. ServiceNow is embedding generative AI deep into its platform, allowing massive corporations to automate complex tasks, saving millions of dollars and hyperscale their productivity. When the market rotates, like it is doing right now, thanks to that strong Chicago Fed data, by the way, institutional money doesn't just buy speculative pre-revenue companies. They pour billions into profitable high-moat tech leaders that are growing their earnings at a massive clip. ServiceNow is safer than Soundhound and Joby, yet it still possesses the raw AI-driven growth power to outperform the broader market by a landslide. It is the ultimate crown jewel for your portfolio during this economic expansion. The macroeconomic stars are aligning. The Fed is transitioning, geopolitical fears are cooling off, and the data proves that the economy is charging forward. The wealth transfer is happening right now, and the rotation into Joby, Soundhound, and ServiceNow is already underway. The question is whether you're going to be holding them when they do. Do not let the fear or hesitation keep you on the sidelines while other traders are capitalizing on the opportunity of a lifetime. They're continuing to exhibit elite large-scale software execution, firmly establishing its platform as the premier AI control tower for global enterprise workflows. In Q1 2026, the earnings report, the company comprehensively did beat its high-end guidance. Now, I've talked about this before as well. They posted total revenue of $3.77 billion, which is up 22% year over year, and subscription revenue of $3.671 billion, which represents a stellar 19% growth in constant currency. The sheer power of ServiceNow's forward revenue engine is visible in its massive $27.7 billion total remaining performance obligations, which is compounding at a robust 23.5% roughly year over year clip. With its current RPO, CRPO stands at a staggering $12.64 billion. This is unparalleled. Look at the stock. Look at the growth here. This unparalleled visibility allowed management to confidently raise its full year 2026 subscription revenue guidance to a midpoint of $15.75 billion. This is reflecting approximately 21% constant currency expansion, anchored by an exceptional mid-case valuation model that projects 16.6% revenue CAGR through 2030, and that's accelerated by massive adoption of their generative AI and their AI Now Assist suite, which saw 130% explosion in $1 million plus annual contract value deals in this quarter alone. So when you look at the charts on this stock, you can see where the baseline is between $98 and $100. My AVP on this stock is between 95 and 105. So the AVP is right here, essentially. That would be the top of the AVP, and it's quite above that right now. So the most recent high is $208 and 52-week range right now. It's at its highest point. So there's a lot of growth here on the table for ServiceNow. It's something to really think about. I look forward to seeing you in the Discord real soon. The link to get started is in the information box below, and I will see you there and on the next video. Take care of yourselves. Be safe out there. One love, fam.